Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin without delay. Make sure the phone is unlocked and the replacement SIM or eSIM activation code is at hand. Once done, backup contacts and screenshots of current APN settings so you can restore them if needed. Power off the device, locating the SIM tray, use the eject tool or a paperclip, then remove the old SIM carefully and insert the new one oriented to the notch. After seating the SIM, power on and watch for carrier signals. You continue by activating the service. Open the carrier app or call their activation line and provide the activation code, IMEI, or account details. For eSIM, scan the QR when prompted. Once the carrier confirms activation, make sure your phone shows the correct network name and signal bars. If mobile data or MMS doesn't work, go to Settings and enter the APN and MMS values the carrier gave you. Also set preferred network type, LTE or 5G, so data performance matches expectations. You finish by verifying full functionality. Place a call, send a text, and load a web page to confirm voice, SMS, and data. Once confirmed, update voicemail, any linked apps, and your account-saved devices. If something fails, try quick fixes first. Toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, or reset network settings. These often clear provisioning glitches. If problems persist, contact the carrier with your activation ID and device IMEI. They can reprovision service or escalate to provisioning engineers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.